Hello, welcome to my channel. If you would like to see how to make this simple hairstyle with a little bit interest on the side, please keep watching. Welcome, my name is Chi. So to start off, we are starting on a clean hair. I section off the half back, not half, the back section of her hair, like a third of the back section of her head. I section off one third of her hair at the back and begin to braid to the side. I start braiding from a single point. All the braids in this section are going to originate from a single point. So I braid all the way to the side of her face, all the way to the side of her face. The hairstyle, all of the tails of the braids are going to pour to the side. None of them is going to her back. So I do that until I am done. As you can see, her hair is long, so it took a little while, more than usual, but so we are done with that side. I go ahead and section off the side where I made the supposedly butterfly flower design. So if you're making this thing, please just make this section round, like the whole section where the design is supposed to be. Make it round, like round. I do not understand what shape that funny this thing I made is. I don't understand that shape, but make yours round. So I section off the hair into 4 and then begin to braid one into like a petal. I already have videos where I explained in details how to make a flower braid. You will see a picture of it coming up very soon. If you're interested in how to create this type of flower braid for a beginner, very detailed, the link will be in the description bar. You can check it out. A homie that did this beautiful flower came and messed up this one that looks like a flower and it looked like a butterfly. I couldn't make up my mind what it is, but it still looked cute, so it's a butterfly flower. I braid just as if I am making a flower all the way around, and then I used a large hook to connect the tail of the braid into the center of her head, just because I couldn't figure out where to incorporate it into the rest of the braid without it changing the shape of the flower, the butterfly flower. So that was why I tucked it into there and used it to fortify this tiny looking petal, and that was what actually made this thing to begin to look like a butterfly for real. So we move, right? So after tucking it in, I will then proceed to braid the hair all the way to the other section. I will let you continue watching from here. If you want to see how to braid a heart, I have a playlist of that. If you want to see how to braid numbers, I have a playlist that has taught almost all the numbers. So those ones are more fun, seriously. When you're done, please check that out. If you like what you see at the end of the video, remember to subscribe, and thank you. Let us continue.